The room looks beautiful. The room looks beautiful. We are walking in the park. We are walking in the park. He is drying his hands. He is drying his hands. They are waiting for their turn. They are waiting for their turn. Please hand me the towel. Please hand me the towel. He is tying his tie. He is tying his tie. I enjoy spending time with my family. I enjoy spending time with my family. They are planting vegetables. They are planting vegetables. Please keep the window open. Please keep the window open. I need some help. I need some help. The sky is full of clouds. The sky is full of clouds. My bag is under the chair. My bag is under the chair. She is cutting a cake. She is cutting a cake. The children are playing with a ball. The children are playing with a ball. The birds are sitting on the tree. The birds are sitting on the tree. Please close the refrigerator. Please close the refrigerator. The fan is spinning fast. The fan is spinning fast. She is arranging the chairs. She is arranging the chairs. He is sharpening a knife. He is sharpening a knife. He is fixing the clock. He is fixing the clock. The water is flowing slowly. The water is flowing slowly. My shirt is neatly ironed. My shirt is neatly ironed. The children are skipping happily. The children are skipping happily. The stars are visible tonight. The stars are visible tonight. The tree is full of green leaves. The tree is full of green leaves. He is carrying a suitcase. He is carrying a suitcase. I believe in myself. I believe in myself. My shoes are by the door. My shoes are by the door. We are walking along the river. We are walking along the river. She is painting a picture. She is painting a picture.